How to connect to Wi-Fi via QR code on Oppo Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, on your Oppo Reno 7 5G, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to Wi-Fi. Here in Wi-Fi, okay, I have connected to this Wi-Fi network. The name is Virus, and you'll have to do to connect other mobile device via QR code to Wi-Fi you connected. So you'll have to do is tap the Wi-Fi network you are connected, and after that tap the Wi-Fi QR code, and now you can see the QR code. You can scan this code to connect to the hotspot. And okay guys, here I have one mobile device, the Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay, you'll have to do is go to your settings. In settings, go to connection and turn on your Wi-Fi. Okay, go to Wi-Fi and turn on. And now here in Wi-Fi, you can see the QR code scan icon on the upper right side of this screen. Okay, you can tap this, and now you can see the square scanning, and you can put the square on the QR code. And now this Samsung Galaxy A02 mobile phone is connected to Wi-Fi. The name is Virus. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully connect to Wi-Fi via QR code on Oppo Reno 7 5G.